Families of victims from two deadly Boeing 737 crashes could get one final chance to push for criminal charges today. They'll meet with a judge in Fort Worth this morning. Janelle Ford is outside the federal courthouse where they will meet in just over 3 hours. Janelle, families say this deal lets Boeing off the hook.
Yeah, these families insist that Boeing deceived regulators about a faulty flight control system at the heart of those crashes, and they say that money's not enough. They want Boeing to face a jury. Now, some of these family members, they've traveled in from 1,000 miles away from as far as France and Ireland to be here this morning. They're urging the judge to reject a Justice Department deal that would avoid a jury trial and drop a felony fraud charge. Under the terms, Boeing would pay or invest another $1.1 billion in fines, compensation for the crash victims' families, and internal safety and quality measures. Now, this is all tied to crashes that killed 346 people on the company's 737 MAX jets in Indonesia and Ethiopia in 2018 and 2019. Today's hearing comes more than 4 years after the Justice Department first announced it charged Boeing back in 2021. They initially reached a $2.5 billion settlement. That deal would have protected Boeing from criminal prosecution if the company strengthened its ethics and legal compliance programs. But prosecutors revived the charge last year after they said Boeing violated the terms. Now, Boeing decided to plead guilty instead of going to trial, but last year the judge rejected that plea deal as well. So that's how we got to the deal we have on the table today. The DOJ argues the new settlement ensures, quote, meaningful accountability, delivers substantial and immediate public benefits, and brings finality to a difficult and complex case whose outcome would otherwise be uncertain. And they say that under it, they have the option to open the case if Boeing doesn't hold up its end of the deal. So that hearing, it starts at 8:30 here at the federal courthouse in Fort Worth this morning. And of course, we'll provide updates as we get them. Sending it back to you in the studio.
Yeah, it could set a big precedent. Okay, thank you, Janelle.